Welcome to the exciting world of After Effects. This course is your gateway to mastering this powerful software. Whether you're a beginner or have some experience, this course will equip you with the skills to create professional-looking videos. From basic cuts and transitions to advanced compositing, you'll discover a world of possibilities. This hands-on approach will empower you to apply your newfound knowledge immediately. Get ready to embark on a journey of video editing mastery with After Effects. After Effects is often seen as the go-to software for motion graphics. It's also a powerful tool for video editing. Think of After Effects as a versatile editing suite. You can seamlessly integrate these elements into your video editing workflow. With each lesson, you'll gain a deeper understanding of After Effects editing capabilities. This course is structured to provide a comprehensive understanding of video editing in After Effects. We'll start with the fundamentals and gradually progress to more advanced techniques. We'll cover a wide range of topics, including basic editing techniques, audio editing, transitions, color correction, and more. Throughout the course, we'll provide you with practical tips and tricks to enhance your editing workflow. By the end of this course, you'll have the skills and confidence to tackle any video editing project in After Effects. Before we dive into the intricacies of editing, let's begin with the first step, importing your footage. To import, simply go to File, Import, File, or use the keyboard shortcut, Control or Command +I. Navigate to the location of your video files and select the ones you want to use in your project. Once imported, your footage will appear in the project panel, ready for you to weave your editing magic. Now that our footage is imported and organized, we can move on to the exciting part, cutting and trimming. Next, the power of cutting and trimming. Select the razor tool, position the playhead where you want to split a clip, and click. Your clip is divided into two. Trimming is equally straightforward. Simply drag the edges of a clip in the timeline to shorten or lengthen it. These simple yet powerful techniques give you granular control over the pacing and rhythm of your video. Next, timeline organization, the backbone of your edit. The timeline is the heart of your After Effects editing project. Layers are your best friends when it comes to timeline organization. You can stack these layers, rename them for clarity, and even color code them for easy identification. By embracing these tools, you'll transform your timeline from a chaotic battlefield into a symphony of creativity. Next, mastering speed and time. Time stretching allows us to slow down or speed up a clip without altering its duration on the timeline. Simply right-click on a layer, navigate to time, then time stretch, and adjust the stretch factor to your liking. For more advanced time manipulation, After Effects offers time remapping. This powerful tool allows you to create variable speed changes within a single clip, giving you frame-by-frame control over time. The sound of success integrating audio. Audio is the unsung hero of video editing, often overlooked but wielding immense power to elevate your projects. From importing your audio files to syncing them perfectly with your visuals, we'll guide you through each step with clarity and precision. Imagine a tense chase scene without the heart-pounding music or a comedic moment without the perfectly timed sound effect. It falls flat. Let's dive in and discover how to make your After Effects projects sing. Precision syncing, aligning audio and video. Syncing audio and video is crucial for creating a seamless and professional final product. Your audio will appear as a waveform in the timeline, providing a visual representation of the sound. Drag and drop your audio layer to the desired position on the timeline. After Effects also offers keyboard shortcuts to nudge your audio layers frame by frame for precise adjustments. Finding the perfect balance. Adjusting audio levels. After Effects provides robust audio controls to adjust the volume of your audio tracks with ease. Select the audio layer you want to adjust and hit the L key to open the audio levels properties. You can create dynamic audio by adding keyframes to the volume slider. Experiment with different levels, listen carefully to the overall mix, and aim for a harmonious soundscape that complements your visuals perfectly. Next, noise reduction, polishing your soundscape. After Effects comes equipped with powerful noise reduction tools to help you clean up your audio and create a pristine soundscape. One of the most effective noise reduction tools is the aptly named denoise effect. Simply apply this effect to your audio layer, and it will intelligently analyze and reduce background noise while preserving the integrity of your desired audio. Use these tools subtly and avoid overdoing it, as excessive noise reduction can make your audio sound unnatural and lifeless. Next, the art of seamless transitions. Transitions are the bridges between your clips, seamlessly connecting different shots and guiding your viewer's eyes through your visual narrative. With After Effects' arsenal of transitions, you can create smooth, elegant, and visually appealing connections that elevate your edits to a professional level. Imagine transitioning from a bustling cityscape to a serene mountain landscape with a gentle fade. In this section, we'll delve into the world of transitions, exploring their types and applications to add that extra layer of polish to your After Effects projects. Next, fading in and out, the power of opacity. By animating the opacity of a layer, you control its visibility over time. To create a fade-in, set the initial opacity of your layer to 0%. Then create a keyframe at the point where you want the fade to begin. Move the playhead to the point where you want the fade to end and set the opacity to 100%. Experiment with the duration of your fades to control the pacing and mood of your transitions. Next, mastering the cross. Dissolve. The cross-dissolve transitions smoothly from one clip to another by gradually fading out the first clip while simultaneously fading in the second. Begin by overlapping the two clips you want to blend on the timeline. Adjust the opacity of the clips to create the fade-in and fade-out effect. Experiment with different easing settings to fine-tune the smoothness and pacing of your cross dissolves. Next, the power of color, setting the mood. Color is more than just a visual element in video editing. In After Effects, you have the power to manipulate color with incredible precision, transforming the look and feel of your videos. Whether you're aiming for a realistic, gritty aesthetic or a vibrant, stylized look, color correction and grading are your allies in achieving your vision. In this section, we'll demystify the concepts of color correction and grading, providing you with the knowledge and tools to wield the power of color in your video editing projects. Next, color correction balancing act. Before diving into color grading, start with color correction. Correct color casts, adjust exposure, and balance your footage. Use After Effects Lumetri Color Panel for powerful adjustments. Achieve a neutral starting point for creative color grading. Next, color grading, a touch of magic. Color grading is where the magic happens. It's the art of using color to enhance mood, atmosphere, and storytelling. Think of it as painting with light and color, adding your unique artistic signature. After Effects offers tools from simple adjustments to powerful LUTs. Experiment with color combinations, contrast, and saturation to find your unique style. Warp Stabilizer to the rescue. Shaky footage. We've all been there. After Effects Warp Stabilizer smooths out even the shakiest footage. No need for a steady hand or expensive gear. Apply it, and watch the magic happen. It's like a virtual tripod. Next, tracking in action. Attaching elements with precision. Motion tracking transforms your videos into dynamic visual feasts. Attach text to a moving object, replace a billboard, or add motion blur to a speeding car. After Effects tracking tools make it possible. Select the object you want to track. It could be a person walking or a logo on a ball. After Effects analyzes the movement, creating tracking data for each frame. Use this data to attach elements like text or graphics or other video clips. These elements move seamlessly, creating a physical connection illusion. Motion tracking opens creative opportunities, adding magic and realism to your projects. Next, beyond the basics, exploring advanced tracking techniques. Advanced tracking in After Effects offers greater precision and control. 3D camera tracking reconstructs camera movement, integrating 3D objects seamlessly. Imagine adding a 3D logo that follows a building's perspective or creating realistic shadows. Facial tracking focuses on analyzing and tracking facial movements. Apply effects like wrinkle smoothing or eye color change. After Effects makes these techniques accessible to all editors. Next, stabilization and tracking, working together for cinematic results. Stabilization and motion tracking, when used together, achieve cinematic results in After Effects. Track a moving object while stabilizing footage to remove camera shake. Combine warp stabilizer and motion tracking for seamless stability and dynamism. Smooth out handheld shots and attach virtual elements with motion tracking. Plan your shots and use the right tools for enhanced visual storytelling. Elevating your videos with titles and text. In video, visuals take center stage, but words are powerful too. Titles and text enhance videos, providing context and polish. Think of your favorite films. Titles set the scene and engage. After Effects offers tools for stunning titles and text animations. Let's explore creating compelling titles and text animations. Next, creating captivating titles from concept to design. Before diving into After Effects, consider the importance of concept and design. Titles should serve a purpose and complement your project's aesthetic. Reflect the tone and style of your video. Choose fonts, colors, and animations that align with the overall aesthetic. Create a cohesive visual language. Experiment and gather inspiration. Next, animating your text, bringing words to life. Bring your text to life with animation. Use keyframes in After Effects to animate properties like position, scale, and opacity. Experiment with presets and effects to create unique, engaging text animations. The art of compositing. Compositing blends multiple elements into a cohesive whole. Think of breathtaking scenes in films, composites of multiple images. Fantastical creatures come to life by layering CGI over live action. That's the power of compositing. In After Effects, it's more than just layering. It's about how layers interact, how light and shadow create depth and realism. Crafting a visual tapestry to tell a compelling story. Transform a portrait into a surreal masterpiece. Add reflections and shadows for realism. After Effects tools make visual storytelling possible. We'll explore compositing fundamentals, including layer management, blending modes, and masking techniques. Masking. It's the art of selective revelation and concealment, shaping what your viewers see and guiding their eyes. Isolate specific parts of your footage, like a character's face or a moving object, while blurring the background for depth and focus. Masks in After Effects are like digital stencils, precisely defining areas to show or hide. Apply effects selectively, like virtual scissors, cutting out unwanted parts. Masks can be animated, tracking moving objects, creating transitions, or morphing shapes. Follow characters seamlessly, keeping them in focus. With After Effects masking tools, achieve precision and control. Imagine blending the real and the surreal, seamlessly merging different worlds into a single, cohesive image. That's the magic of blending modes in After Effects. Blending modes go beyond simply layering one image on top of another. They control how colors and tones interact, creating effects from subtle shifts to dramatic changes. Think of blending modes as artistic filters that alter layer interactions. Use them to create shadows, highlights, textures, or surreal effects. Experiment to discover unique properties and transform your composites. Keying removes a solid color background, enabling visual effects and compositing. Transport actors to exotic locations or fantastical settings with keying magic. After Effects Keylight Effect is the keying champion. Keylight handles green and blue screen footage with precision. Keying turns the world into your virtual studio. Fine-tune your key with intuitive keylight controls. Use garbage mats to isolate specific areas. With practice, you'll be keying like a pro. Next, Masking Mastery Beyond the Basics. Masking, as we explored earlier, is an essential tool for selective revelation and concealment in After Effects. But masks are far more versatile than just simple cutouts. With a little creativity and a deeper understanding of their capabilities, masks can become powerful tools for creating complex animations, transitions, and visual effects. One such technique is animating mask paths, allowing you to create dynamic shapes that move, scale, and transform over time. Imagine a mask that smoothly morphs from a circle to a square, or perhaps a series of masks that animate to reveal text letter by letter. With animated masks, the possibilities for creative expression are endless. Another advanced masking technique is using track mats, which allow you to control the visibility of one layer based on the luminance or alpha channel of another layer. This opens up a world of compositing possibilities, enabling you to create realistic shadows, reflections, and other effects that seamlessly blend your layers together. Next, blending modes, the art of layer harmony. Blending modes, the unsung heroes of compositing, offer a wealth of creative possibilities beyond simply layering one image on top of another. By understanding how different blending modes interact with the colors and tones of your layers, you can achieve a level of realism and artistry that elevates your composites to new heights. One of the key concepts to grasp is the difference between blending modes that work on light, like screen and add, and those that work on darkness, like multiply and darken. By strategically combining these modes, you can create realistic lighting effects, enhance contrast, and add depth to your composites. For instance, imagine you have a scene with a bright light source. By setting a layer with a glow effect to the screen blending mode, you can make that light source appear to illuminate the surrounding elements realistically. Conversely, you can use the multiply blending mode to create realistic shadows by darkening the areas where objects overlap. Next, advanced editing techniques, the power of combined workflows. The true magic of After Effects lies in combining techniques to achieve stunning results. Integrate keying, masking, and blending modes to unlock creative control. Combine keying with animated masks for seamless transitions. Use track mats and blending modes for realistic integration. Break down your project into manageable steps. Start with a clear vision and experiment with techniques. Push the boundaries of your creativity with After Effects. Expanding your toolkit. The world of After Effects plugins. After Effects is powerful, but plugins can supercharge its capabilities. Plugins are specialized extensions that integrate seamlessly. They offer pre-built effects, transitions, and utilities. Imagine creating stunning cinematic color grades or realistic effects. With plugins, those dreams become reality. From Red Giant Trapcode to Video Copilot Element 3D, there's a plugin for every need. Explore the world of After Effects plugins to enhance your video editing. Sharing your masterpiece. Rendering and exporting your final video. You've crafted the perfect After Effects project. Now it's time to share it with the world. Before uploading, you must render and export. Rendering creates a final video file from your project. After Effects offers various export formats for different platforms. Balance quality and file size for optimal results. From novice to After Effects editor. Congratulations! You've journeyed through the world of video editing in After Effects. From basic cuts to advanced effects, you've unlocked a powerful toolkit. Remember those first tentative steps? Look at you now, wielding keyframes like a pro. This course was just the beginning. The real magic happens when you apply these skills to your own projects. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. They're valuable learning opportunities. Embrace the process and never stop exploring After Effects. There's always more to learn. After Effects is constantly evolving. Stay curious and seek out inspiration. With After Effects, there's no limit to what you can create. Tips for success. Streamlining your After Effects editing journey. Streamline your After Effects workflow with these tips. Embrace organization. Keep your projects tidy with labeled folders. A well-organized project saves you headaches. Master shortcuts. Use keyboard shortcuts to speed up your workflow. Create custom shortcuts for repetitive tasks. Pre-compose like a pro, break down complex compositions. This keeps your timeline tidy and improves performance. The power of proxies. Use proxies for smooth editing. Proxies allow smooth playback without system lag. Experiment with plugins. Explore After Effects plugins. Plugins save time and enhance your videos. Enjoy the process and never stop learning. Embrace challenges and keep experimenting. With dedication and creativity, create stunning videos.